Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have a game changer for you. The BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System. If you're tired of dealing with impurities in your well water, this is the best iron filter for well water on the market. It's a countertop reverse osmosis system that brings you clean, pure, and delicious drinking water right at your fingertips. Let's dive into the features that make this system a must-have for any home. First off, installation is a breeze. No plumbing required. Just plug it into any power outlet, and you're good to go. What sets the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light apart is its premium quality borosilicate glass carafe. Say goodbye to plastic containers that might expose your water to pollutants. This glass carafe ensures your water remains pure and chemical-free. Now, let's talk tech. The smart LED display makes your life easier. It lets you monitor your filter's lifespan, ensuring your water is always top-notch. You can select your desired water volume, and the system takes care of the rest. Getting filtered water is a breeze. No more struggling with plastic waste, heavy boxes, or bottled water. This system delivers fresh water in less than 3 minutes. And here's the kicker. It produces water at a 3-to-1 ratio of filtered water to waste, which is 375% more effective than other models on the market. The BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light boasts a 5-stage filtration system, using a patented 5-in-1 filter to remove a whopping 99.9% of contaminants from your water. It's certified by SGS for quality, and the RO membrane is NSF, ANSI 58 certified. But here's the fun part. You can also enjoy fruit-infused water with 6 delicious recipes included. It's a modern water filter system that elevates your hydration game. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly compare the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light to some alternatives on the market. The typical price for this system is $299, but with today's deal, you can grab it for just $209. That's a 30% saving. Plus, it's Amazon's choice in under-sink and countertop filtration. It measures 9.7 inches in length, 9.4 inches in width, and 14.1 inches in height. It weighs 8.41 kilograms and has a capacity of 1,200 milliliters. The lower temperature rating is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Manufactured by JSK, it's available on Amazon with ASI NB0BGK4BQ2D. In conclusion, the BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System is a game-changer for clean, pure drinking water. It's easy to install, features a smart LED display, offers rapid water delivery, and boasts a 5-in-1 filter system. Plus, it's environmentally friendly with its 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio. Say goodbye to impurities in your well water. Don't miss out on this Black Friday deal. Click the link in the description to get your very own BlueVua RO100 ROPOT Light today and enjoy the purest drinking water right in your home. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching.